Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sun Academy online classes. My name is Pramod Kumar. Today we will discuss class 8 General Knowledge part 16. So let's start this video. Musical types. Instrumental and vocal music are the various types. It varies from country to country. Some of the form of music are given below. Name them by reading the descriptions. Means instrumental and vocal music are various types, very popular in different country. It's vary from country to country. So let's start. First, the singer alternates his voice between high and low sound. This technique was often used by the popular Indian playback singer Kishore Kumar, Ajeri, Swiss and Pagnis also try it. The name of a music type is called yodeling. 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 Question number 2. Hindu group devotional singing. Sikh are also sing devotional hymns. Means this is a Hindu group devotional singing. Sikh also perform. It's called kirtan. It's called kirtan. Question number 3. It is an instrumental music popular in Gulf area like Kuwait and Bahrain. A string instrument called ud is used. This is music type is called senet. Senet is an instrumental music popular in Gulf area. Question number 4. Music of gases which develop in Spain. The name of this music is called flamenco. 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 Question number 5. This music is used in video games. The name of this music, video game music. You feel video game music. Question number 6. This music accompanies European dance called waltz. The name of this music, waltz. W-A-L-T-Z, waltz. Question number 7. A group of musicians from Indonesia play this traditional music using orchestra, means drum, gongs and xylophones. The name of this music, Chameleon. Chameleon. The group of musicians from Indonesia play this traditional music using orchestra. Question number 8. Singing without instrument was traditional in Catholic characters and was sung by monk. Means this type of song performed with traditional Catholic characters and was sung by monks. It was called Georgian chant. Georgian chant. Here the help zone. You can easily to write. Next is dance mania. Mania means just like a fear. Fear. Mania means just like a fear. Western dance. Identify the types of dance described below. First, modern ballroom dance from Argentina and Uruguay with long steps and frequent posturing. The name of this dance, tango dance. Means this dance is modern ballroom dance from Argentina and Uruguay with long steps and frequent posturing. It's called tango dance. Second, a graceful dance with revolving movements. Dancer invents each other closely. The name of such type of dance is waltz dance. Question number 3. A classical dance to be performed in group or solo needs highly controlled movement as dancers balance themselves on their toe as they spin. Means a classical dance to perform group or solo. Means this type of dance performed in group also and solo needs highly controlled movements or dancer balance themselves help on their toe and they spin. The name of this dance, ballet dance. Ballet. Question number 4. A traditional percussive folk dance common in Appalachia region of United States. The name of this dance, clown. Clown. Question number 5. This dance originated in United States in 1840. The dancer linked their arms through the elbow and line up in the circle. Means this dance is originated from United States in 1840. The dancer linked their arms through the elbows and line up in a circle. Such type of dance is called the cakewalk. Cakewalk. Question number 6. This one is the dance. Question number 6. First major rock and roll dance quite popular in 1960. Dancing couple do not come close. This first major rock and roll dance quite popular in year 1960. Dancing couple do not come close. Such name of this type of dance is called twist. Question number 7. Ballroom dance invented by Harry Fox in 1914. Steps are slow, quick. The name of such type of dance is called foxtrot. Foxtrot. Question number 8. A dance which originated in Africa traveled to Cuba. Side to side hip movement and quick slow in meter its characteristic. Means a dance. This dance is originated by Africa traveled to Cuba. Side to side hip movement and quick slow in meter its characteristic. The name of dance, rumba. Rumba dance. Question number 9. Swing dance originated in United States in 1930. Swing dance originated in United States in 1930. The name of this dance, jitterbug. Jitterbug. Question number 10. Break dance is feature of hip hop dance. Break dance is a feature of hip hop dance. The name of this dance, break dance. Break dance. Question number 11. It is a dance from USA. Sound is produced by the small metal plates of dancer's shoes. Means this dance come from USA. Sound is produced by the small metal plates on dancer's shoes. The name of this dance, tap dance. Hopefully all students understands types of dance and music. If you face any problem, call my personal number so that each and every student write on your copy and learn them. Thank you.